Welcome to the Panama Canal Zone. We are going to explain what American imperialism was and what it caused. American imperialism affected areas all over the world, some of which became war zones and the others states. The canal itself was a way to shorten the travel time between the eastern shore and the western shore of the United States and give us a quicker route with less fuel costs to travel to China and other places on the other side of the world, places like India, Japan, and Australia. Panama Canal is a form of economic support for the country now because the Panama Canal was first worked on by the French, but they did not succeed because they ran out of money. When the Americans got involved, they had to use military power to liberate the Colombians and help them become Panamanians and gain a man-made passage that cost around $8.5 billion in total. The U.S. purchase of the French concession for about $40 million in U.S. cash included the Panama Railroad. Further, it was estimated the French excavation about 30 million cubic yards was of direct use to the U.S. construction effort and was valued at $1 per 1 cubic yard, or $30 million. The remaining usable French equipment, engineering surveys, etc., were valued at around $10 million or more. The Panama Canal is a 48-mile-long international waterway known as the Panama Canal. If you didn't know that already, allows ships to pass between the Atlantic Ocean and Pacific Ocean, saving about 8,000 miles from a journey down around the southern tip of South America, Cape Horn. 7. The reason America got involved was not to help them, but to take control of a little part of land where we could build the Panama Canal, so we could easily transport goods faster through Panama instead of going around South America. We helped by placing a small naval fleet near Colombia, and then this convinced the Colombian government to give up the area that is today Panama. This helped convince the Panamanian government to give us the canal zone. The cost to travel through the Panama Canal varies from measurements to the value of the cargo. The most expensive and regular cost is $331,200 for the Disney Magic Cruise to pass through. The Panama Canal, the lowest cost, was for a swimmer, which costed him 36 cents to swim through the canal. Panama Canal makes about $4.5 billion a year on the Panama Canal American made. About the same until America gave it back to Panama, because on September 7, 1977, President Carter signed the Panama Canal Treaty and Neutrality Treaty, promising to give control of the canal to the Panamanians by the year 2000. Thank you for listening. Have a nice day.